Alright, so nandito tayo ngayon sa SM North Towers, Starbucks, waiting for my coaching sessions. Forced sila, pero yung isa parang parating din. So, imagine 5 sessions. So, I'll be talking to 5 people today. Okay, and kasi I came early, so 10 a.m. pa ang aming usapan ng first client ko. So on the way na siya. So nagdadala tayo ng mga libro, and one of the books na dala natin aside from the IMG book is by Tony Robbins, Awaken the Giant Within. Okay, si Tony Robbins and the rest of the people and I myself, naniniwala tayo that there is a giant within you. Okay, so there is a giant within you that is just waiting para magising, para mabuhay, para makalabas, para makagawa, makakilos. Okay? Pero paano ba, how to awaken the giant within you? Paano ba natin gagawin yun? Paano ba yung natutulog na giant sa sarili mo ay mulagpus na at makagawa na? So that you can start building a very fulfilling career. You can start building a business, a life-changing business that can change your life, your family, and can serve more people. Or it can be you can author a book that can influence hundreds or thousands of people. Or you can even start your own YouTube channel and be an influencer that is influencing not only the people here in the Philippines but also in the different parts of the world. Or you can start an app or any product of technology that can help people to to improve their business, improve communication skill, improve system in our everyday lives, or anything. Okay, so anything that it's within you that's just waiting to be awakened. Okay, so how to awaken that giants para mangyari lahat ng yan, right? So one, of course, ang dami dito sinabi ni Tony Robbins. One is to keep on learning, to keep on attending seminars, keep on reading, keep on exposing yourself to different types of people, to different situations, different opportunities, or something like that. But for me, there is one way to awaken the giant within me that I was waiting for, that I realized that I needed this in the early years of my life, but I didn't have the opportunity to have it. That is to have a coach or a mentor. To have a coach or a mentor will help you awaken the giant within you in faster way. Okay? So, not because I am a coach. Okay? Not because I am a coach. But like kung sinasabi na, if I had a coach then, when I was in my, kahit college nga college, first year of teaching ko, in public school, I work here in Manila. I had a chance to work in NGO, big budget, and as assistant program manager for the ENR, NGO in DOH, and I was able to visit different places in the country funded by World Bank and EU, right? But so I had money then. I had money, but because I didn't have a coach. So parang wala lang. It's just an ordinary situation that I was not able to spot any opportunity, any chance of maturing as an individual or pursue more success. I didn't see all these things because I didn't have a coach that time. So if I had a choice, sabi ko nga kahit nagbayad ako ng 10K that time, what is 10K? Kung na-save naman yung pera ko, napag-invest ko naman, nakapag-start ako ng business ko earlier. Pero wala ko naging coach. So my challenge to you is today, okay? So alam ko may bayad ang coaching, kahit hindi ako, kahit maraming coach outside, maraming coach, international coaches. Sabi nga nung isa, Doc, nagpa-coach ako international but I want to try you. So, it's okay. Okay lang yun kahit ganito magpa-coach. Kasi, ang coach number 1 is, meron na siyang, pag nakipag-usap ka kasi sa coach, while you are talking, giving informations to a coach. So, nagagawa na kami ng framework. And that framework is individualized. That is only designed for you. Fit for your strengths, fit for your weaknesses, fit for your resources that you have, fit for your present situation. Okay? Because we cannot have the same framework. We cannot have the same framework of success. Because lahat tayo magkakaiba tayo ng DNA, magkakaiba tayo ng background, magkakaiba tayo ng purpose, magkakaiba tayo ng mission sa buhay, magkakaiba tayo ng priorities, situations. Others are single, others are married. So single mom, single dad, or something like that. So we cannot have the same framework. But the role of a coach, or if you have a coach, you will receive that framework na design for you, sa'yo lang. And second, naiwasan yung mga wasted years, wasted time, wasted money. Because we'll be directing the path towards that goal. Kasi yung goal na yun, sa'yo din galing. Kasi I believe lahat tayo may goal. Lahat tayo may purpose. Diba? Ngayon nga may goal ka di ba? Pero wala pang coach. Pero kung gusto marating, gusto magkaroon ng sasakyan, gusto magkaroon ng negosyo, gusto mag-travel, gusto mag-promote, di ba? Ang dami nating goal. So, paano natin mararating yan? Yun yung gagawin sa'yo ng coach. Okay? And third, na pwedeng gawin ng coach sa'yo is not only giving you direction, giving that framework. Also, this is important na going to the details of that. Yun ang mahirap kasi when you get down to details. And that's Mamba mentality. Naalala ko tuloy si Kobe Bryant. So, meron sila dito parang tribute. May mga t-shirts siya dito. May mga mamaya, let me see if I can sign there. Kung pwede naman natin mag-sign. Okay, so that's yun sinasabi ni Kobe na Mamba mentality, Black Mamba mentality. That is paying attention to the details of your life, paying attention to the details of your situation, paying attention to the details of your business. So yun yung magiging trabaho ng isang coach, right? So the coach will teach you on the details. We will help you start yung mga possible ways na kaya mo daanan. Kaya nga sabi ko nga lagi sa pag nagko-coach ako, let's start from where you are. Hindi yung, sige, ganito mo muna, gawin mo muna to, tapusin mo muna to. Okay, mag-save ka muna, mag-invest ka muna. You don't need to do these things, okay? So, after coaching, meron ka ng listahan, anong specific na gagawin mo? What are your specific steps para magagawin tayo? Okay? And pang-apat, alam mo pag meron kang coach, kasi minsan sabihin ko nga sa mga coach ko, sasabi nila, Dok, narinig ko na lahat sinabi mo. So, minsan, alam na nila pag nakita kami, meron na silang dalawang framework, meron silang pedo, but it's different if it's coming from expert. Something like, alam mo na, may pinanggalingan di ba? Sinabi to ni di ba? Sinabi ko ni Doc to Sinabi to ni Coach, di ba? Kaya nga ang dami natin mga sinusunod ng mga quotations kasi galing sa successful people Ang pinaniniwalaan natin, di ba? Kaya may mga speaker lagi na silang kino-quote nila si Stephen Covey, kino-quote nila si ako, I always quote Jim Rohn, Grant Cardone, Ty Lopez, Dan Lak, because these people are experts. These are expert people na pinaniniwalaan ko. Kasi kung hindi naman, like, let me give you one quotation that it's what you become during the process. It's what you become during the process that's important. So kung sinabi lang siguro ng iba yun, hindi natin papansinin. But because it came from Jim Rohn, so pinapalaga natin quotation yun. So if it's coming from expert, alam natin na ito totoo to, ito gagawin ko, ito mangyayari siya, ito magtatagumpay ako. So we believe to that philosophy kasi galing siya sa isang tao na alam mo naging matagumpay, na alam mo na inaral niya. It is the difference if it's coming from others, if it's coming from others. Okay? And last, number 5 na kahalagahan na meron tayong is we can always ask question, follow up, di ba? Like ako kasi meron akong 1 month, pwede ka mamili, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, na pwede ka mag-enroll sa aking personal coach. So, i-guide kita monthly, hanggang 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. Meron akong mga clients na 3 months ang contract sa akin. May client naman tayo na one man. Meron naman one time lang. Pero they can always message me. They can always ask questions. Kasi pag alimbawa, nag-usap kayo once ng yung coach, di ba meron kang mga gagawin pa, meron kang steps na gagawin. So you need another confirmation. Pag wala kang coach, parang it's not enough yung nalaman mo lang yung gagawin mo eh. So kasi during the process, ang dami mo rin, nagda-doubts ka, ito ba talaga, left or right ba, something like that. But if you have a coach, so you can always confirm, you can always, pwede ba to, kaya ba to, something like that. Okay, so that's the role of the coach, right? So I'm encouraging you, I can be your coach, I can be your mentor, or you can hire other people to be your coach because it's important for you kahit sino maging coach mo to awaken the giant. And one of that is the faster way you can do it is having a coach beside you, okay, so that you can awaken the giant. Okay, so if you are interested na ma-coach kita, message ka na sa akin, alright? Okay, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayong mabago at mula nating buhay. Thank you very much, believers. Enjoy the rest of the day yan. Let's go, let's go.